Law of sines. After watching this video, I will be able to apply the law of sines to find the missing angle measure. So in this example, I want to find the missing angle A. And I do not know what it is because I do not know the information about angle C. Remember, this is not a right triangle. So I'm going to use my law of sines. Because I want to find my angle A, I need to use my side A. And then I am going to use this angle 48 because I also have this side 35. So I'm going to write in my information. Sine of A, because I don't know what it is, has to equal, well, over 29 has to equal sine of 48 over my side 35. And again, I'm going to cross multiply. So sine of A times 35 and then 29 times sine of 48. And I actually want to get the variable A by itself. So first I need to get rid of this 35. So I'm just going to divide everything by 35. And when you do on the one side, you do on the other. So sine of A stays by itself. Now we have to remember, what do we want when we're trying to find an angle measure? Well, we want A to be by itself. So that means I need sine inverse, because technically sine inverse times the sine will cancel each other out and I will just be left with angle A. But what you do on one side, you do on the other. So sine inverse of this entire fraction, 29 times the sine of 48 over 35. And your calculator, a scientific calculator, will be able to do all of this in one step. So remember, when you're doing sine inverse, you want to make sure that 29 times sine of 48 is all in parentheses over 35. Make sure you are in degree mode, and you would end up with angle A equal to approximately 38.00, rounding to the nearest degree, so 38 degrees. Now you try. Find the measurements of angle C. So I'm trying to find angle C. So its opposite side is 18. And I have information on angle A, and its opposite side 30. So I'm going to fill in my information. Sine of C over side C, which is 18, has to equal sine of 118 over side 30. I am going to cross multiply. So 30 times sine C, that is going to equal 18 times sine 118. I'm going to divide by 30 so I can get sine of C all by itself. And then I am going to do inverse cosine. Inverse cosine, well, not inverse cosine, sorry, inverse sine. So it's inverse sine and sine cancel out, and I'm just left with C. So I am going to take C equal to sine inverse 18 times sine 118 over 30. At this point, you go to your calculator. So C equals 31.9, which rounded to the nearest degree would give me B, 32 degrees.